In Microsoft, you can sometimes encounter errors that prevent you from opening or updating apps like this one. So in this video, you can now learn how to fix it. So for the first option, remove bugs and glitches from the Microsoft Store. Do that by launching the Microsoft Store, click your profile icon at the top, and then choose Sign Out from the context menu. Then, restart Microsoft Store, click the profile icon, and choose Sign In. Now you have to enter your credentials and sign in with your account. For the next solution, use the Microsoft Store Troubleshooter by opening Settings, choose System, select Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters, and click the Run option next to the Microsoft Store apps. Lastly, probably that the incorrect region and time setting of your computer is causing the issue. Now you can correct the Windows region by opening Settings, click Time and Language, click Language and Region, click the drop-down menu next to the Country or Region option, then choose your current region. Now to correct the time, choose Time and Language, then select Date and Time from the right pane, and then check if the date and time is correct. So those are the ways on how you can fix the following error code in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.